Well, this is the other mower. Actually, this is our neighbor's mower. He was nice enough to let us borrow it. Yardman 6.5 horse, 21-inch cut, Briggs. Yeah, he said it wasn't in the best shape, but hey, it works. This one right here, Toro. Yep, I've got somebody coming to fix it. Well, take it and work on it. I just don't have the time. But I'll use this one for now. It's not mine though. It would be in better shape if it was mine. But, yep, it works. And, something I can't say about that one. So, this is it. My grass is pretty long. And, of course, nothing holds up, but it's the way it goes. Alright, guys. See you later.